Hi guys, this is Nick from Tentworld Online, and today I'm going to take you through how to use the Dr. Air Off-Road 150 psi air compressor. Alrighty, so the Dr. Air Off-Road air compressor comes in this great little box. It's a sturdy metal box, and it's in an MO style, army style I guess. It also comes with a really handy latch here. And a great feature that I really like is the rubber seal around the edge here, which just protects it from the weather and getting wet and things like that. So the first thing we get in the box is the pressure valve, where you can read your pressure, and also the thumb latch fitting. And if you unscrew this bit here, it reveals the screw fitting. Next in the box is the 5 meter rubber hose with your quick connect fittings, and then we've just got a little package here with spare parts and other fittings, and then obviously your 2.4 meter power cable with your alligator clips that attach to your vehicle's battery. Firstly, connect your two terminals to your battery, the negative and positive, with the 2.4 meter lead. Then get your fitting and undo your tyre valve cap. Simply place it on and turn the compressor on. Now this compressor has two options, a thumb latch and a screw fitting. Simply unscrew the thumb latch and use the screw fitting to firmly place it on the tyre valve. Then simply turn the compressor on. The Dr. Air Off-Road air compressor is perfect for use at the beach or when you go forward driving, and it really is just a great, good quality unit. I use it all the time and I've never been able to fault it. So come down to your nearest Tentworld store or grab one online. Cheers guys.